In this video, I'll be going over how to add integers using a number line. Whenever we are adding integers using a number line, if they are positive numbers, we'll be moving toward the right direction, as that means that we are actually increasing the value. And we are adding negative numbers, that means we are subtracting a number which is decreasing, so the direction will be going toward the left. Below are 4 examples, we'll be going over each one. For the first example, we have -5 plus 7. So that tells us the starting point is going to be -5. So we place -5. And since we're adding 7, that means the value is increasing and we're going toward the right direction. So we'll go 7 spaces toward the right. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll end up at 2. So that would be the answer for number 1. For the second example, we have 3 plus -6. And this example means that we're adding a negative number. So even though it has the addition sign, but we're adding a negative value. So adding a negative value is the same as 3 minus 6. And in this case, we're going toward the left direction. So our starting point is 3, so we'll place the point on 3. Then we want to go 6 spaces to the left. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we'll end up at -3. And that's our answer. For the third example, we have -3 plus -2. Just like the second example, we're adding a negative number. So we're heading toward the left. And this is equivalent to -3 minus 2. So starting point will be -3. And we're going toward the left 2 spaces. And that's 1, 2. So our answer for this would be -5. For the fourth example, we have -5 plus 8. So we know we're increasing the value, and that means we're going toward the right. Starting point will be -5, and we'll go 8 spaces to the right. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our final answer would be 3 for the fourth example. So these are 4 examples of how you would add integers using a number line. When you're adding positive numbers, you're increasing the value, and so you will be moving spaces to the right. Whereas when you're adding negative numbers, you're decreasing the value, and you'll be moving spaces towards the left. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.